You got to watch out. You participate in one of these trips and you're likely to become an addict. People come back and they bring their friends back. We have fun and we do things that really make a difference in the world.
Every single time it's new. It's absolutely fascinating. You're going to places you wouldn't normally get to go. You are seeing things that most people in their lifetimes don't get to see. And you are constantly learning because everybody there teaches. Everybody is kind.
If you always were curious about science but you're intimidated about getting involved, come learn how to be a citizen scientist, how to make a difference, and have fun doing it.